Planning a home remodel? Choosing the right contractor can make or break your entire project. Here's how to do it right, and avoid a total renovation nightmare. Step 1. Get referrals. Start with people you trust, friends, family, or neighbors who've had great results. Word of mouth is gold in the remodeling world. Step 2. Check their credentials. Make sure they're licensed, insured, and have experience with your type of project. No license? No deal. Step 3. Look at their portfolio. A good contractor will have photos of past work, client testimonials, and maybe even walk you through similar jobs they've done. Step 4. Read the reviews, but dig deep. Look for patterns. One bad review? Maybe. But 5 complaints about delays or budget overruns, red flag. Step 5. Ask the right questions. How long will it take? What's included in the quote? How do they handle changes or surprises? You're not just hiring skills, you're hiring communication. Step 6. Get everything in writing. A clear, detailed contract protects you and them. It should outline the scope of work, payment schedule, timeline, and warranty info. Step 7. Trust your gut. If something feels off, pushy sales tactics, vague answers, or poor follow-up, it's probably not a fit. Bonus tip. Don't just go with the cheapest bid. Quality work has value, and cutting corners now can cost you double later. A great contractor turns your vision into reality. A bad one turns your dream into a disaster. So do your homework, ask questions, and choose wisely. Like this video if you're planning a remodel, and hit subscribe for more tips to protect your home and your wallet. Build smart, remodel right with United Construction Group Hawaii. Like, comment, subscribe, and follow for more.